Good morning children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing fine. So in our previous classes we finished our 6th chapter, that was Oliver Asked for More. So in this chapter we learn के what is the life of an orphan is, एक orphan की life कैसी होती है. So of that lesson we have finished the question and answers and even a little bit of objective. So today we will finish off the complete objective. So get ready with your readers at page number 48. So here on this page the first bit is complete each sentence by forming an adverb from the adjective in the bracket. So here adjectives are given, what we have to do, ये adjective को adverb में change करना है. Okay. So here the children ate the food. The word adjective is here greedy. तो हमें क्या करना है, before changing to adjective ये y की place पे I add कर देना है, then ly add करना है. So it will become as greedily. Okay, greedily, greedily. The children ate the food greedily. Then the patron dragged Oliver sudden. Okay, तो यहाँ पे क्या है, लास्ट लेटर L है, इट्स नॉट Y. अगर Y होता तो हम इसे I की प्लेस I चेंज करके इसको देन ly ऐड कर देते. अभी क्या करना है, डायरेक्टली ly ऐड कर देना है. द पैट्रन ड्रैग्ड ओलिवर सडनली. ओलिवर वॉक्ड अराउंड द ऑर्फनेज लेजी. लास्ट में क्या है, LAZY, तो Y को क्या करेंगे हम I में चेंज करेंगे, देन विल ऐड ly. ओलिवर वॉक्ड अराउंड ऑर्फनेज लेजीली. देन ऑल चिल्ड्रन वेटेड फॉर ओलिवर पेशेंट. लास्ट में क्या है, T है, तो विल डायरेक्टली ऐड ly, तो क्या हो जाएगा, एडजेक्टिव एडवर्ब बन जाएगा. ऑल चिल्ड्रन वेटेड फॉर ओलिवर पेशेंटली. देन नेक्स्ट वन, ओलिवर वॉज ड्रेस्ड शैबी. लास्ट वर्ड Y है, लेटर, सो Y को क्या करेंगे, I में चेंज करेंगे, देन ly ऐड करेंगे. ओलिवर वॉज ड्रेस्ड शैबीली. ओके, the children ate the food greedily. The patron dragged Oliver suddenly. Oliver walked around the orphanage lazily. All children waited for Oliver patiently. Oliver was dressed shabby. Now come up to our next bit. In each of the following sentences, the adverbs or adjectives are given in colored words. Do you tell how long or how often? So these red letter words, what do they tell us? हाउ लॉन्ग का टाइम बता रहे हैं या हाउ ऑफन, यानी बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम बता रहे हैं या बहुत जल्द वाला टाइम बता रहे हैं. ओके, विल सी. द ऑर्फनेज विल क्लोज फॉर अ वीक. वीक मीन्स बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम है, सो हाउ लॉन्ग. ओलिवर गोज फॉर अ वॉक एवरी मॉर्निंग. एवरी मॉर्निंग मीन्स ऑफन, बहुत जल्दी जल्दी रिपीट होता है. सो टेक इट इन दिस बॉक्स, हाउ ऑफन. देन द वैन लीव्स द ऑर्फनेज एवरी आवर. एवरी आवर मीन्स it goes on continuing, so how often. The magazine is published once a month. Once a month means बहुत long time है, so once a month means it will fall on 12 times in a year. So how long. We have waited for Oliver for an hour. Again for an hour means it comes every 60 minutes, so it's often. Then I have not seen Mrs. Munn for months. So months means it's a very long time. So take it in box, how long. Okay kids, now next one, give one word for the following. A place where orphans are kept. एक place जहाँ orphans को रखते हैं, that place is called as orphanage. A place where dead bodies are kept, it is called as mortuary. जहाँ पे dead bodies रखते हैं, that place is called as mortuary. A place where dogs are kept, it is kennel. A place where aeroplanes are kept, it is hangar. A place where bees are kept, apiary. A place where hens are kept, pen. Okay? जो place where dead bodies are kept, वो place को बोलेंगे mortuary. Then where dogs are kept, that place is called as kennel. Dog के house को बोलेंगे kennel. Then where aeroplanes are kept, aeroplanes जो place पे रखते हैं, not airport, जो place पे वो लोग रहते हैं, that place is called as hangar. A place where bees are kept, apiary. Okay, सारे bees को जहाँ एक place पे रखते हैं, it's not beehive. beehive तो bee का घर है, it's apiary, जहाँ उन लोग का honey extract करने के लिए उन लोग को रखते हैं, that place is called as apiary. A place where hens are kept, hen जो प्लेस पे रहते हैं ना, मोस्टली हमारे यहाँ भी hen का घर बनाते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज pen. Now come to the next one. Here are some nouns in the singular. Below them are 5 boxes. Put the nouns in the boxes and form their plurals. So here boxes have been given and these boxes are marked with using S, using ES, using IES, using VES and changing inside vowel. Okay, यहाँ क्या करना है, ये जो बॉक्स में वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं ये वर्ड्स को प्लूरल बनाना है. देन वी शुड कैटेगराइज देम इन बॉक्सेस जिसमें प्लूरल IES ऐड होता है या S ऐड होता है या ES ऐड होता है, वो वर्ड्स को डिफ्रेंशिएट करके लिखना है हमको. ओके, लाइक फर्स्ट वन लीफ. लीफ मीन्स उसको प्लूरल करने के लिए क्या ऐड करते हैं हम, S ऐड करते हैं, VES ऐड करते हैं, सॉरी. सो विल राइट एट LEAF लीफ, देन leaves, LEAVES leaves. So we'll write it in the box of VES. ठीक है, लीफ वर्ड को VES ऐड करने से प्लूरल होता है leaves. So हम इसे लिखेंगे VES वाले बॉक्स में. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन मैमल. मैमल प्लूरल क्या होगा मैमल का, मैमल्स. सो क्या ऐड हुआ, प्लूरल ऐड करने, प्लूरल बनाने के लिए S ऐड हुआ. तो विल राइट इन द S कॉलम mammal, mammals. Okay, next one bush. bush का प्लूरल क्या होता है, bushes. so bush, BUSH bush, BUSHES bushes. तो इसे किसे कौन से कॉलम में लिखेंगे, we'll write in ES column, BUSHES bushes. now next one child. child प्लूरल क्या होगा उसका, childs or children. So we'll write it in the childs column, S column, CHILD child, CHILDS childs. spoon. okay, spoon, then plural क्या होता है spoon का, spoons होता है. तो what we are adding, we are adding S to make it plural. So we'll write in the S column spoon, spoons. then branch. What do we add to make branch as a plural? We add ES to make it plural. So BRANCH branch and BRANCHES branches. So we'll write in the ES column. Story. Okay. Story. STORY story. So what do we do to make it plural? What do we add? To add I will add IES to make it as stories. Okay. STORY story. STORIES stories. Now next one. City. Cities, plural will be cities. So what we are adding here, we are adding IES, CITY, CITIES, cities. Then half. Half means second part, in two equal parts, one half and other half. So half का plural क्या होगा, halves होगा. So what we'll do, we'll remove the F and write VES, HALF half, HALVES halves. Okay, so we'll write it in VS column. Next, tooth. Okay, tooth means our tooth. So उसका plural क्या होगा, जब सिंगल दांत रहेगा तो हम उसे बोलेंगे tooth. Then फिर जब बहुत सारे दांत हैं तो क्या बोलेंगे, we'll call it as teeth. So what are we doing here, जो उसका vowel है TOOTH, इसमें जो दो vowel है OO, we are changing it into E, isn't it? टूथ का प्लूरल हो जाएगा टीथ. सो हम इसे कहाँ लिखेंगे, चेंजिंग इनसाइड ववल के कॉलम में, टूथ, टीथ. देन माउस. माउस का प्लूरल क्या होता है, माइस. सो अगेन वी आर चेंजिंग द ववल, सो विल राइट इन द इनसाइड ववल कॉलम, माउस, माइस. वुमेन, सिंगल जो लेडी रहेगी उसको बोलेंगे वुमेन. देन बहुत सारे लेडीज तो रहेंगे जो विल कॉल इट एज वुमेन. सो MEN, we are again changing the vowel. So write it in the changing vowel column, woman, woman. Thief. Thief. So ending letter क्या है, F. So removing F, हमें क्या करेंगे, इसे VES ऐड करेंगे. तो we'll make it as plural as thieves, THIEVES, thieves. Then hair, HARE, hair. So what we'll add, we'll add ES. So HARES, hairs. Then branch, again same, BRANCH branch, plural will be branches. We should write it in the ES column as branches. Then hoof, tree, trees, T-R-E-E-S, trees. So we have to write it in the S column. Next is lady. Okay, lady. तो lady को क्या करेंगे, ending letter Y है तो उसको क्या करेंगे, Y change की place पे I add करके ES लिखेंगे तो it will become as ladies, L-A-D-Y lady, L-A-D-I-E-S ladies. So we have to write it in the IES column. Next branch we already done in the last second line, so it will be as branches, branch and branches. Hoof, so ending letter is F, so removing F we have to add VES, H-O-O-F, hoof, H-O-O-V-E-S, hoofs. Then wolf, goose. Okay, goose means the plural will be geese. So we are changing the vowels, so what we have to do, we have to write G in this column, changing vowel column, goose and geese. And here the word wolf is given, so ending letter is F, so we have to write it in the VES column. Okay, wolf, wolves. But here again, here what you do, you add a new word, C-A-R-R-Y, carry, and C-A-R-R-I-E-S, carries. Okay kids, fine. So now come up to the next one. Read the passage carefully and find the spelling errors. Underline the words that are spelled wrongly and write the correct spelling. Fine, we have to, in this paragraph we have to correct the spellings. It is certainly well worth while taking good care of your. So here first word certainly, it is wrongly spelled, it should be certainly. Well worthwhile taking good care, spelling of taking, T-A-K-I-N-G, taking, of your teeth. Have a good look at them in a mirror. So here again spelling of mirror, M-I-R-R-O-R. Are they clean? When your breath smells sweet, it is good, G-O-O-D, good. Sweet की place पे लिखेंगे good. You can be sure that your teeth are in good condition. So spelling of condition is wrong. Make it correct, C-O-N-D-I-T-I-O-N, condition. If you allow food to decay between the teeth and around the gum, poisons, spelling of poisons, P-O-I-S-O-N, will begin to eat away the white, spelling of white, W-H-I-T-E, white, enamel that covers the teeth. Then in time, that is change this into soon, then soon the softer inner parts of the teeth begin, spelling of begin, B-E-G-I-N, begin, to rot away and soon the tooth begins to ache, A-C-H-E, ache. Okay? Now, turn your page. Writing skill, making a pen friends. So here a letter has been given. In this what you have to do, you have to write a letter to your pen friend. Who is your pen friend? Pen friend किसे बोलते हैं? He is a friend. We just communicate with them through the letters. हम उन्हें कैसे communicate करते हैं? Just letters के साथ communicate करते हैं. Like distance friendship होती है. We can't meet them. हम वो person से रियलिटी में जाके मिल नहीं सक पाते हैं, बट वी आर इन कॉन्टैक्ट विद देम थ्रू लेटर्स. सो दीज टाइप्स ऑफ फ्रेंड्स आर कॉल्ड पेन फ्रेंड्स. अभी हम क्या करते हैं, हमारे वॉट एवर द हमारी होल डे की एक्टिविटीज़ है, वी जस्ट पोस्ट इट ऑन इन इंस्टाग्राम और फेसबुक और व्हाट्सएप. ओके, उस पर हम शेयर करते हैं. बट पहले क्या होता था, when the technology was not so far, they used to do this with the letters. So these types of friends were called as pen friends. Okay, so वो लोग क्या करते थे, our each and everyday activity, our school activity, our daily routine, our hobbies, these things they used to exchange between friends through the letters. Okay, so these friends were called as pen friends. So here a friend, Polly, is writing to his friend Oliver about his school teacher. Okay, so dear Oliver, I got your letter. Of course, I would love to be your pen friend. You can write to me in English. I make mistakes too, so don't worry. So here Polly is saying, "Okay, dear Oliver, I got your letter and I would be love to your pen friend, and you can write to me in English." आप मुझे letter English में भी लिख सकते हैं, because I also make many mistakes. Have you made any new friends in your class? Write to me about them. So Polly is asking कि अभी आप जो new class में गए उसमें क्या new friends बनाए हैं? So if you have or you haven't not, please do write to me. Miss Dinah is our English teacher. She taught us last year. She is a very good teacher but very strict too. Don't ever be late for her class. Complete your classwork and homework on time. She is a real taskmaster. We have Miss Mary who is not so strict. So Miss Diana is our English teacher. So Polly is saying कि हमारे English teacher Miss Diana and she is very good. She teaches us very well but she is also strict and you have to complete the given work, homework and classwork on time. It's being sent by Polly and he is also saying कि we are having another teacher Miss Mary but she is not so strict as Miss Diana. So that's all for now. Do reply soon. Your friend Polly. So in this letter, Polly told Oliver that about his English teacher. Okay. Now what you have to do, we have to write a similar letter but not the same to a boy or girl who wants to be your pen friend. Okay. अभी हमें क्या करना है, same type में हमारे pen friend को letter लिखना है. So how will we write? Same way, date, then our friend name, dear, whatever your friend name is, the matter, and again your friend आपका नाम. So what we have to do, everything we have to put it in the left side of the page only. Letter का date and address क्या करेंगे हम, letter के left side में ही रखेंगे and we will make it in paragraphs. Letter को क्या करेंगे, paragraph में करेंगे. So we will get the picture of this that you have to copy in your classwork. So where do you have to copy that? I'll tell you. Now speaking skill. Work in pairs. Think of what you can do to help the poor and needy. Tell your partner and listen to what your partner says. So these two boys and girl, what they are sharing conversation between how they will help the poor people and needy people. Who are poor and needy? We know. जो बहुत गरीब होते हैं, जो ज़रूरतमंद होते हैं, those people are called poor and needy. So this boy is saying कि I'll share my joy and happiness with them. And this girl is saying कि I'll make friendship with them. So this boy and girl are having a positive thought toward the poor people. They are saying कि whenever I see or meet a poor person, I'll make friends with them and I'll share my happiness and joy with them. So what do you have to do? You have to make some pair with your partner, your friend or your brother or sister, and you have to talk and discuss about the topic how you will help a poor and needy person. ठीक है, आप अगर इस place पे होते किसी help करने की तो how will you help a poor person, that you have to discuss. Now come to the next one. Make some useful requests and practice them. So here are some requests. Okay, जब हम आप किसी को request करते हैं तो what do we say? We say excuse me, we say please. Okay, ये requesting words है. So here the word excuse me is given. So using this word we have to make some request. Excuse me, could you give me a spoon to eat with? Excuse me, क्या आप मुझे एक spoon दोगे to eat with? Excuse me, can I have some salt and sugar? Excuse me, क्या आप मुझे थोड़ी सी salt and sugar दोगे? Excuse me, could we take cold drink or coffee? क्या हम cold drink or coffee, can we take anything? Excuse me, could we take some more sweets please? Excuse me, could we take some more sweets please? So these sentences you have to practice. Okay, excuse me, could you give me some spoon? Could you give me a spoon to eat with? Excuse me, can I have a spoon to eat with? Excuse me, could we take a spoon to eat with? Okay, then excuse me, could you give me some salt and sugar? Excuse me, can I have some salt and sugar? Excuse me, can I have cold drink or coffee? Excuse me, can I have some more sweets please? Are you getting it? Excuse me एक word से we can make many sentences and we can make many requests. Again last one, excuse me, could we take a spoon to eat with? Excuse me, could we take some salt and sugar? Excuse me, could we take cold drink or coffee? Excuse me, could we take some more sweets please? Isn't it? Only the word excuse me is making a different completely change in the sentences, है ना, कितना polite and requestable sentence बता दे रहा है, isn't it? So about the letter, what do you have to do? After writing the hard words, then meanings and then question answers, do write the letter. Okay, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स के बाद में आपको लेटर लिखना है, एंड लेटर का जो फॉर्मेट है दैट शुड बी डेट, एड्रेस एंड राइटर्स नेम शुड बी ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द पेज. ओके, ये सब क्या होना है, लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द पेज होना है, एंड आपका लेटर पूरा एक ही पेज में कंप्लीट होना है. यू शुड नॉट मेक इट ऑन द सेकेंड पेज. ये सेकेंड पेज पे नहीं लिखना है आपको लेटर, यू शुड राइट इट ऑन द single one page only. Okay kids, so you'll get the picture of the letter, from there you can copy. So in our next class we'll start our 7th lesson. So till then do complete your work and don't make it pending. So we'll meet in the next class. Till then stay home, stay safe and don't trouble your parents.